Hey, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Dose. My name is Jason Miller, founder and CEO of the Strategic Advisor Board. And today, man, we're going to talk about one of the most nearest and dearest topics to me, and that is how to lead by example. I could literally talk about this for hours, but I'm going to keep it as short and sweet as I can, just for the impact of leading by example. So, you know, the culture and foundation of a business start with you, the one watching this right now. That is the leader. Okay. If you want an organization that facilitates open communication and teamwork, you have to embody those traits. Consequently, you know, if you set a poor example, you know, your employees will likely follow that exact same example, right? As leaders, you should lead during this time with exemplary actions at all times. You should lead by example and not illustrate how turbulent times may be affecting you on a personal level. I mean, I could go deep into this. Leading by example. Number one, you know, set a great example. Don't be a do as I say, not as I do leader. Okay. It's one of my I don't know, compasses, I would say. Number two, don't ever ask somebody to do something you're not willing to or have not already done yourself. Okay. Typically, I am always the guy. I will get in the trenches and, you know, be the one to help through a situation the first time, to then make sure to hand that off to the appropriate person and let them run with it. Okay. That's not micromanagement. You should want to be in the mud, in the muck, to a certain extent with your staff through pieces and parts of what you're doing. Okay. It shows your staff that you are still willing to do that. Now, you could argue the other side of that and say, well, you shouldn't be in the tactical pieces of your business, and that would be correct. However, that doesn't mean it has to be every single time. It's good every once in a while. You know, take the suit off, throw a t-shirt on, go down to that staff meeting with some of your team and hop in there. Throw some ideas out as the leader of the company and help them through some things. So it never hurts to be a part of something, okay, with your team. And don't just be that person that sits up on top of the mountain and, you know, you're on top of the mountain drinking your coffee while everybody else is working their tails off. Be a part of that process, and you will be the leader that leads by example, I assure you. I hope that little bit of rant and rave was helpful for you today and gave you a little bit into my mind on how to lead by example. And if there's any feedback that you'd love to give, please do below. And also smash that like button. If there's a question that you'd like us to answer on a daily dose, please feel free to throw it in the comments below. And you can always reach me, www.strategicadvisorboard.com. And as always, hope you love today's dose, and we'll see you as a better leader leading by example tomorrow.